Hey, good morning from Sun and Fun. We're here with Tom Reilly, the owner and the restorer of the XP-82. And look at this amazing twin P-51 Mustang. Took its maiden flight down here, didn't it?
Well, it was 10.5 years of work, and we flew it down yesterday morning. That was its 17th flight. We first flew it on 31 December, and we had to do a few things to it. And it's all airworthy and ready to go. Flew down squawk free.
Beautiful airplane, Tom. Tell us about the armament and just tell us about the airplane.
Well, it was a 6-gun escort fighter. See, it's got the 6 machine guns in the center. Also had an 8-gun pod that hung in the center. It was designed to escort B-29s from Saipan to Japan and back. Now this airplane is the prototype. It's the first to fly. It flew 15 April 1945. But by that time, the single-engine Mustangs, they had taken over closer islands. And when they took over closer islands, they didn't have the fuel range problem or the problem on getting back home with only 5 gallons of gas back, when they returned back. So a lot of Mustangs, a lot of pilots were lost. They went in the water. So they came to North America, and in November '43, they said, we need something that has 6 hours longer range, and it's 50 miles an hour faster, would keep up the B-29s. It's actually 49 faster than the regular Mustang. And it would have 6 hours longer range, so they didn't have any fuel problem. So this one first flew 15 April 45, but too soon, or too late for really to work. But they saw a lot of service in Korea. 272 were built, 22 were built with Merlin engines. These are Merlin engines. And the rest are Ellison engines.
Well, it looks like a beautiful restoration and an amazing piece of American history. Thank you for restoring it and preserving it for others to enjoy. I think it's probably the best thing at Sun and Fun there is to see, as far as I'm concerned.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we're so glad. Thank you so much, sir. We appreciate that.
Thank you. You see the flap is as smooth as a billiard table.
Right.
That's the way it was.
Okay.
We duplicated the wrong pedostatic system.
The wrong geostatic. That's
There's the new one, and we even put that in off center. That's the way it was.
That's the way it was.
That's the way it was.
Wow.
You have every original World War II radio in there. Every original one. We even have the detonator. It's a square box down there which blows up all the radios in case you bail out and it gets 20 Gs. We have the original fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher is easy to come by. The mount was impossible to come by.
Really?
Right there. We had to have this.
Yes.
So we didn't have any choice about that. But we have all the original red. Can't talk to anybody with them, but there they are.
They're there.
They all have the correct color wiring on them.
So this is a museum quality restoration.
It is.
Yeah. Wow.
See, these rivets are pretty smooth. These are glass smooth. Those back there are awful.
Yeah.
But that's the way they were.
That's the way they were made.
We duplicated it. See, these are slightly overshot. We spectrographed all the yellow paint. We spectrographed all the we duplicated all the #1 cab plates into the gold color. We went back to the original silver color, World War II color. The only 2 things that are not original are the Garmin radios inside, which you have to have, and Teflon.
Thank you for your time this morning. You guys ain't done hard.